In this video, we are going to see how we can activate the inactive items from our Etsy account. So here I see I already logged in on my account. You also need to log in the same way. Once you logged in, then you will find left side this type of menu. Sometimes it will be looking like this. If you see like this type of short menu, you can click here, it will be expanded. And now from here we have to come this option, listings. I'm going to click here, and right side we will see everything is looking like this. Now to see all inactive items, we have to come right side. Here there is a section, it is called listing status. From here we have to choose this option, inactive, and you will see the total number of items which are inactive right now. We have to click here so that it will be selected, and there will be a circle field this color, and here we will see all the items which is inactive. And that's it. In this way we can easily find the inactive items. Now let's see how we can activate it. To activate it, we have to click this small gear icon which is called the settings of this item. I'm going to click here, it will be expanded, and from here we have a couple of options. One of the options is activate. We just need to click here, and very shortly it is showing you are about to activate on listing. This listing will move from inactive to active and will be available for purchase in your shop. And finally there are two buttons. One is cancel, another is activate. To make it activate, we have to click here, and very shortly it will be activated, and you will get this message. You have activated on listing. And here if you refresh this page, you will see there is no inactive items right now, and there is only one active items. If you click here, you will see this is the active item. And that's it. In this way you can easily activate your inactive items from your Etsy account.